The water filler inlet is located behind the front passenger door. To refill the water tank, you will need the blue food-grade water hose and the water filler adapter. The water cap key is one of two keys with a black cover. Insert the key and turn left 90 degrees to open the water cap. You will know that the cap is unlocked when the keyhole is pointing along the width of the cap grip. Connect the water filler adapter by gently pushing the adapter in the water filler inlet. Turn the adapter right until it locks into place. Next, connect the food-grade water hose into the water filler adapter and fully unwind the hose from the reel. The hose comes with a tap connector in case your water tap does not have one. Please do ensure its return after use. If you are refilling the water tank on your own, then once you have turned the water tap on, you can check the capacity on the control panel within the motorhome. This is located above the freezer compartment. To view the water status, ensure that the control panel is switched on. Then press the second round icon on the right. In this video, the water tank was already filled. In most cases, it will be empty, and when you press the water tank button, the indicator on the left will show your current capacity in increments of 25%. One important note to be mindful of is when the 100% indicator has been reached, please start making your way to the tap and turn off as soon as possible. Failure to do so will cause overflowing of the water tank under the rear seats. During the return inspection, signs for any water damage will be checked, and if any are found, any repairs will be taken off your deposit. Once the tap is off, disconnect the hose from the motorhome and start reeling from the tap end. Push the water filler adapter in gently and turn left to disconnect. Turn the key to the right to align the keyhole with the cap grip. The cap will then spin continuously.